Okay, Spain versus Latvia. Well, magandang laban, no? Come from behind, never say die itong Latvia. Sinasabi nga ng mga commentator o analyst na Cinderella run kasi first time ng Latvia. So paano nila tinalo itong Spain, number 1 ranked team and FIBA World Cup defending champions. And 2019 FIBA World Cup World Champions. Yun lang yung one phrase, structured basketball. Okay? No ISOs, setups, mismatches, and good defense. Hindi ka naman mananalo kung wala kang good defense eh. Every shot na binibitawan ng Latvia at maging ng Spain is parang galing dun sa system. At saka pag tumira sila, they take it strong. Pero they take it strong dahil wala na yung kalaban, screen off and off ball movement. So pag gumagalaw sila, yung depensa gumagalaw din. Pag gumagalaw yung depensa, minsan nagkakaroon ng misrotation siya. Yun na yung sinasabi ng mga coaches, kaya mo pinagagalaw yung depensa para imbis na isa lang yung babantayan mo 5. Yun yung nangyayari ngayon. Imbis na bumantay ka lang ng isang player, lahat nung nasa loob babantayan mo kasi lahat yung threat dahil gumagalaw sila. So, yun lang yun. Mamaya panoorin natin yung Brazil at saka Germany naman ata yun. So, yun lang. Structured basketball at its best. So, yun lang.